anytime tó bá wù tó ní òkè ṣọmọdé. Oh really?
I don't like the way you're always crying now. I don't like the way you cry now.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry, my God.
What's the big
sorry.
What's the big
Sorry. She be one don't see me like.
What was I gonna say about both of you?
Eléyìí ó kàn gbà. Ó ní mind of her own. Oh, don't get me. Sorry, never cross me. My belly down. Come here, come on. Let me.
Oh, why would she push her like that?
Sorry, ma.
Final stuff. Let me see.
Ọ̀pọ̀ olè nìyẹn. Ó yàtọ̀ sí olè tó ń yọ wọlé láti wá jàre lóde.
To buy
Box bàbá mọ́lẹ̀.
Sorry.
Sorry, this what you gonna do for me? Everything you killed your family. Take them to the police station.
Yes.
Oh yeah, keep us hello. Pẹ̀lú mi àti.
Olówó ṣe ká mọ́ ẹ̀ kò.
Tó bá jẹ́ àwọn àtọ̀ mi, wọ́n ní wọ́n ló fún mi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, báwo ni nǹkan lọ́dọ̀ yín eku ijó mẹ́jọ eku gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ ṣé nǹkan lọ dáadáa lọ́dọ̀ yín akúrògbòdìyàn olómídé akúrògbòdìyàn òjò yìí òjò tútù ni nǹkan tútù ni dẹ̀dẹ̀ ló ń rọ kókò lágbàlá dẹ̀dẹ̀ ló ń rọ tútù lágbàlá, you understand me? So I brought you something. You see her here, you see this woman here. Oh my goodness, she has done something interesting, something great. Have you heard about Iya, a new movie by Mide that is showing on Mide Martins TV on YouTube? Yeah. Okay, iti wo nǹkan tí ṣe ni e. Iti wo Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó ṣàgbákò. Iti wo Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí nǹkan rọlù ẹ. Come on. Right now that I'm talking, go and subscribe and watch Iya by Fumi Mide Martins. Forget Omo, you know this one to be produced. The rest is history. Lọ wo Ìyá kó kọ́gbọ́n, tani Ìyá, kí ló yá, kí ló ya sẹ́nu ṣọ́ ya wèrè ni ṣọ́ ya ẹran mẹ́nu ni ṣé nǹkan ló yà wọ́n ṣọ́ ya lù ni àbó ya lù wọ́n a lot of things ló wà nínú kí nǹkan ya kéèyàn ya àti ìyá go and find out.
Yes. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń sọ pé mo burú.
Yes.
But the little time tẹ́ fẹ́ mọ̀ mi ṣé mo burú ṣá.
No ẹ burú ògiri lẹ́bù ẹ burú ògiri lẹ́bù.
Bọ̀ ṣé mo ti ṣe wèrè fún yín rí in any way or anywhere.
No ó fẹ́ súnmọ́ but the day I experience your wèrè is from afar. So from that day, I now question myself that if this person do this with it to this person, even me, if I experience that with it, maybe I'll be on the run. So, hey, buru.
Me buru.
Ogiri lebu.
Ogiri there wa okay.
Ogiri is good. Let me put ogiri. Continue no banta yalam toba lu ogiri. You know your man settle. So that's go watch.
Thank you.
Yeah, on Mide Batting TV on YouTube.
Thank you.
Can you follow me later? Tabati water. Irenio. Gary?
I got it.
You don't get it?
Forget about it.
Name of bridge.
Name of bridge. Name of bridge.
Bridge.
As a bridge, it's a motor man.
Come on, back on giant.
Hello, bridge.
Bridge you pọ̀. Bridge pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tó lè dárúkọ. So London bridge wà, American bridge wà, Canada bridge wà. So La Coast bridge wà. La Costa bridge tún wà. Honestly. Bridge wà káàkiri tó bá gọ́gọ́ ẹ̀ pa.
Okay, hold on. Ikoyi bridge.
Okay, Agege bridge.
Abeniagbon bridge.
Oduelegba bridge.
Songwater bridge.
Ikeja bridge.
Fagba bridge tó ti ṣe.
Ìgbóná ti ṣe sí. Ìgbóná ti ṣe sí. Àpápá bridge.
Wọ́n ti máàpù, wọ́n ti ṣe.
CMS bridge. Ọbalende bridge. Ikoyi bridge.
Mo ti sọ Ikoyi bridge.
Ọjọ́ta bridge. Orílẹ̀ bridge.
Ìdúmọ̀tà bridge.
Ìdúmọ̀tà bridge ṣe lọ. CMS bridge. Boston bridge. Akọ́gbọ̀n bridge.
Àdúrà bíi àdúrà bíi.
Àdúrà kan ta ló jẹ́ kólọ́tà àdúrà sí. Sọ́kò bẹ́ẹ̀ òun tà àdúrà kan ìpè ní. Ìpè bridge ni. Ìpè bridge. Egbe bridge. Ìkọ̀tún bridge. Ìlàsà bridge. Oṣòdì bridge. Mega bridge. Mega bridge. Bridge. O lè lọ London bridge, Canada bridge, American bridge, South Africa bridge, Belgium bridge, England náà ní bridge. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ní bridge.
Wọ́n sí. Ẹ bá dé bridge tèmi. Máa fojú rí màá kú. Okay, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. We are happy. Yes. We are tell you that Ija is now 1 million. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my lovers, my fans, my family and friends, everybody. Thank you for supporting me on this job. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your comments, your reviews. In fact, me tell me what mo fẹ́ sọ tán. Thank you. Ozen, báwo ni ṣe wà pa?
Ṣé mo wà pa kẹ̀ṣẹ́ rí mi lórí wheelchair ni? Àṣé mi jẹ́ tó wà pa báyìí ni.
Dúró kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ló máa jáde lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Jọ ṣé tí ń ṣe wá bíbà yìí ṣé bí mo ṣe rọra bí ẹ ní ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣé.
Nǹkan tẹ́ wá ṣe ni òye mi, òní tẹ́ wá ṣe bí mí lánàá nìyẹn ṣe bíra yín pé ṣe bí mí lánàá pé ṣe mo wà pa. Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lẹ fẹ́?
Ṣé bá ṣáà máa ń ríra wa ní online nígbà tí ò ṣe pé kinní.
Kí wàá ló ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ma?
Actually nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé fíìmù mi ìyá.
Mo ti mọ̀. Fíìmù yín ìyàwó kí ló ṣe yà? Ṣé wọ́n ti gbé ìyá rẹ̀ lé ni? Kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe fíìmù ìyá fún gan? Ṣé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe pátú ṣé bàbá lẹ máa ṣe? Tó bá ní tírì sáwọn ọmọ ní tírì ni. Kí lẹ̀ ń fi fíìmù ìyá ṣe? Kí wàá ló ṣe fíìmù yín ìyá?
Tí ẹ jẹ́ ṣàlàyé nǹkan tí mo bá wá.
Ó yẹ ṣàlàyé kí ló ṣe yà?
Fíìmù mi ìyá ó wà lórí YouTube channel mi Mide Martins TV kò dẹ̀ bá ń ṣàlàyé fáwọn èèyàn kan bá mi wò ni.
So fíìmù yín ìyá ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde ni?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Tí ìyá bá jáde kí ìyá wọlé. àbí kí ló kete mi pẹ̀lú ìyá ṣé ìyá gbọ́dọ̀ jáde ṣẹlẹ̀ àní ìyá ni tẹ́ bá drop ẹ pick ẹ padà ẹ fẹ́ kí ni iṣẹ́ mi mo ní ẹ lọ ṣe fíìmù ìyá ni kí bàbá mo bá yín polówó ìyá okay mi bàbá ṣe bí ìyálẹ̀ yẹn polówó ẹ̀ fúnra yín fáwọn èèyàn yín.
ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ̀ gbádùn ẹ̀ sún wọn.
so kí lẹ wá bá bàbá fún ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí lẹ wá bá bàbá kó polówó ìyá fún.
Torí pàwọ̀ àyà àlìdálé ayé ìṣe àlìdálé ayé ìṣe ó dá má bínú bàbá mi mo ti juwọ́lẹ̀ fún ẹ má bínú ọkọ mi bá ń polówó ìyá.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn fíìmù kọ́mọ̀ tún ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jáde ìyá látọwọ́ Mide Fúnmi Martins ó ń bẹ lórí TV ó ń bẹ lórí
Mide Martins TV.
Mide Martins TV lórí YouTube ẹ tètè lọ bó wìtìwìtì ló lọ mú tiẹ̀ grab your copy ẹ sọ pé now grab your copy.
ò ń ṣẹ̀sìn.
wow.
ò ń ṣe òpolówó ló ń ṣe àbó òṣèlẹ́yà kí ló ń sọ.
ṣé kí má kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
kò má kọ bìí ti báwo kí má kọ gbẹgbẹ kí ló fẹ́ sọ no kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ.
ẹ bá wọ̀ ní gbogbo
wọn tó bá wò yà
kí ló fẹ́ sọ. anybody ní tó bá wò yà
kóró gbàmọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́nu.
tóun tó ti tó kábọ̀ mi lẹ́nu.
Every single mothers needs to watch the movie Iya that Mide Martins did. And I'm so happy, I'm so glad that she did not use the children that is lower than this age. Tí wọ́n ti really gbọ́n. Tó jẹ́ pé you can tell them, do this, do that. What I say is what is final. She used the children that are in Gen Z generation. See, I always say something. You see this Gen Z, is like before they came to this world, they waited. They patiently waited on God to give them a lot of instructions on how to live life. It's like they already saw your generation, no? They already saw us. And they told God that, God, we don't want to live the way our parents lived. We want a whole total overhaul of life. You single mother, that you wamora, you wamaya, you besori, you tagele, you carry pikin for head like gala. My children are my this, my children, my children, my children. Go and watch the movie Iya. You see, this generation, the generation of telling adults, the kids that are in their 18 and up, that are, you are going to tell them, do this, do that, is whatever I say that will happen. Is whatever I do, you will do. You will follow my instruction. Èmi ni mo bí ẹ, ọyàn mi ló mú dàgbà. Ìdí mi ló ti jáde, èmi ni mo dẹ̀jẹ̀ lé ẹ lórí. You see all of those words, it has gone. All of those words, all of those manipulative words, all of those words, tẹ́ fi ń kó àwọn ọmọ ní, tẹ́ fi ń kó wọn fi bread kó wọn lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ, that you use to manipulate your children. It has gone, no? It has gone. Rere, it has gone far, far, far. You see, this time, you will suffer alone. You will cry. You will shed out your tears. You see how Mide is sukun koro, bitter cry. And she did a good job in that movie. Those are the children of this generation. They will look for their father. Oju e manyo. Oju e o manyo. You will tell them stories. They will tell you, Mom, this is what you have been saying. This is how you are. They will use all kinds of English. You see all of the English that they just came up after pandemic. A lot of English, a lot of grammar has cropped up. And these children will go and bring all those English that you have never had before. They will use it against you. You will suffer. If their father wants to be in their life, let them. And you see how manipulative the father cropped in. Baba yẹn wá rọra ń lo ohùn sàlẹ̀, ó ń ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, ó ń ṣe ìyá yín ni. I've been trying to get in touch with you. Is your mom? Ó wá mú gbogbo blame yẹn, ó kálé ìyá yẹn lórí. The mother was not able to defend herself. Movie yẹn ṣì ní part 2. I don't know what is going to happen in part 2, but the part 1 that I watched, it tells a story and it teaches a bitter lesson. You see the children of this generation, the children of Gen Z. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n dájú, wọ́n kálá, wọ́n ṣe kíni, wọ́n rán yàlá ya anybody. Kò mórí ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ báyìí, kò mú sókè, wọ́n rán ẹ. Woman kan ni mo ṣì rí nísìn tó ń sunkún. ó ń sunkún kíkorò lórí social media tó ní gbogbo nǹkan tóun ṣe fọ́mọ òun pátá ọmọ yẹn turn around báyìí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lóyìnbó ńláńlá ó sọ pé fault òun ni let the father be in their life tí bàbá yẹn gan tó bá lóun fẹ́ move tẹ́lẹ̀ kẹ́jìjọ máa gbé ládùúgbò ẹjìjọ ṣe gbogbo wàhálà yẹn sódà tọmọ yẹn bá dé lọ́la tó bá ní pé òun fẹ́ bàbá òun kò ní really dùn ẹ́ you won't be bitter. Mide was very bitter with those children àti bàbá wọn all together kó má bàa kúkú gbóná.